Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So as usual, I will start with update on progress of my yearly plan on which stage we are at the moment. So as you can see here, we have already passed the FTMO Funded Trial Account in early of last month, okay, 1 month ago. And then we started on the FundedNext funded account, but I messed up with the first account as when I'm setting up the EA. So there are multiple of unwanted entry was made, and then it causes breaches to the daily drawdowns rules. Okay, so I'm still working on the EA, and then it seems like working fine for the past 2 weeks. So I'll just give an update. So this is the FundedNext 6K account. So I reset the account with a 10% discount, 5%, I couldn't remember. But there is a small discount for you if you reset the account. As you can see, this is the day 5 of the trading, and I'm running about 210 profit, which is about positive 3.51%. Okay, I did not do a live because I do not know when does the EA execute the trade, and I don't have a specific time for me to do a live trading. That's why I think I would just make a short video and summary on how do I interpret the rationale behind, the philosophy behind, and I will share with you on all the methodology and how are we going to pass this funded account challenge. All right. So when time comes, when I have more time, I will continue the live trading definitely. Okay. If you refer to my last week weekly update video, you notice that I actually have revised on my long-term plan. So this is one of the reason why I did so. As you can see, there are several funded prop firm, so-called funded account prop firm, is actually shutting down. First is the funded trader, is one of the top prop firm. Okay, they said here, we sincerely appreciate your patience as we are working diligently on the steps to resume our operation services. The reason they are shutting down is because they are unable to pay to the funded traders. Okay, those who have a live account, they fail to pay them. So what is being suspected here is actually they earn money for those traders who lost, who breach the rules, and then they pay off to those traders who win. So they did not execute their trade into the market. So when there is insufficient of new joiners who is losing or breaching the rules or losing the account, then they don't have enough profit to pay these funded traders, so they are instructed to shut down. So another is a My Forex fund. This is also one of the famous one. Okay, if you Google My Forex fund, it says that the CFCT closes My Forex fund's accounts due to their allegation that My Forex fund was defrauding its clients by actively trying to prevent them from becoming funded traders. This means that when you are executing trade using their platform, they may do something fishy, causing you to hit the set loss. This is why you keep on losing, you keep on reset, you keep on losing money into to this platform. So since the genuineness of getting a funded account remains skeptical, so this is why I revised my plan. I'm doing both funded account challenge concurrently together with a real-time trading. Okay, real money trading, sorry. So as you can see, this is my 12 stage plan with a target of 3 to 4% weekly. For every 2 weeks, we are increasing our capital. Okay, until when we get the stage number 10, we have a 20k capital, and we try to pass the funded account challenge. If the funded account challenge is genuine, and then we will get more profit. Otherwise, we just continue with our real money trading. Okay, as you can see, in the first week, I have actually already gained more than 8%. Okay, so I already passed stage 1. I will move it to stage 2. Okay, perhaps I will insert the stage here, because stage 1.5, maybe I start the capital with 500, and then I do I am to have a 3 to 4% that week. If I manage past that, I move to 1,000. Okay, so my advice is do not skip any stage. Okay, so this one is a real account trading. Oh, before that, bear in mind, I'm not saying that FundedNext is a fraud or is cheating people's money, but then I do not know is it we are getting a real funded account before I pass the challenge. This is why you don't see any affiliate link in my description. I don't want to recommend any prop firm that I did not prove that it is genuine by myself. Okay, so let us continue. This is a real account trading. As you can see here, I've executed 4 setup. Okay, the first one is number 1, and this 2 is actually 1 setup, and this 2 is another setup, and number 4 setup. Okay, with 4 setup, I have a 3 win 1 loss, win rate of 75%, and I gain at 0.49%. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking about. I'm moving to the next stage in next week. So just to share, this is the trade that I took. Number 1, I took it somewhere here where it's near to the new high, but then it hit my set loss before it going down. So this is the first loss. So without further ado, maybe I just move on to the trading view chart and to show you the trade that I've executed, and also alright guys, let's just continue on the review of our trades. As you can see, I already plotted here the first trade I actually took at somewhere here, and then with set loss as 2265 and 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, but then unfortunately it hit my set loss at 2265.7 before it come all the way down. Okay, the second trade is when it come down here, I did an entry somewhere here. Okay, you revert back to the journal, and the thing is everything went good and go down and hit my TP. Okay, the reason is because I saw a fake out here, and this is a bearish engulfing candle, so this is why I make an entry here. So the third trade that I took is this one, when the price come back to here, and there is what we call the shooting star, and then sorry, it should be here. Okay, so when the price break out again, it reaches here, and then it shows a shooting star, and I enter, and this is only a scalping, and I gain a profit over here. Okay, so I should go back to the 15 minutes charts for a more accurate view of this. Okay, yeah, this is the one, the shooting star, and then I shot. Okay, number 4, fourth setup is here when it break a new high all the way and retrace, come back to this demand zone. Okay, with all the confluence of the RSI and CD, everything is on the same direction. Then I do a long here, and I just scalp over 4 pips, and I just get off. Okay, so now let's move to the next agenda, which is the forecast of the next week. So as you can see here, I will draw a zone here. It reaches actually the breakout here, although it's making a new high, but it reaches the zones that I anticipate you will be having a retracement. Okay, so as you can see here, it just here it started to lose momentum, and then eventually fall off. Now it's coming back, but this candle is like a shooting star. We will see how it goes when the market open Monday. So if it did not do a breakout, or if it do a fake out and come back here, we can do a short, and our target is about here with about I would say you can aim about 150 pips. Okay, but I think if there's a retracement, definitely you will reach this upper line, and this is the line of the demand zone, whereas you can do a quick scalping 10 to 20 pips if you want. Okay, the set loss is below the line, but I would advise to wait for the confluences first, and this is always not the zones that I'm interested at. Okay, I'm more interested at all these critical demand zone. As you can see, the zones that I draw here. So let me just remove this number. So this is the first zone that I will do along. This is the second zone, and this is the third zone. Okay, the first zone is about 2288 to 2293. Okay, these are the zone for the long. So I'm just going to put into my EA so that it will execute the trade automatically when the price reaches there and shows confluences. Okay, so we are saying 2293, and the ending zone is about 2288. Okay, 88. Yeah. So as you can see here, this is the place where you execute, but I'm just going to change the date to next week so that you won't see all this thing. The short I won't put first because this is a very strong uptrend. So this is 2273, and then the downside will be about 2268. Okay. So these are the two zones that I will let the EA to execute the trade automatically. Okay, we will start on the 7th of April. Okay, so that you see when it shows confluence, it will execute the trade automatically to the MT4. So alright guys, that's all for this week video, and I will see you again next week, and I hope I have time for live trading, and definitely I will set up live streaming soon. Okay, have a nice week ahead, and I hope you enjoy profit last week. Thank you.
Make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out. The link is